I found some new. And this is Alright, I'm going to back that down a little bit. I did turn it up a notch to see if I could get a little bit more out, but that's not such a good idea when you're doing it free area. I wouldn't go much more where that is right now. I'd try to stick to that 200 watt mark. So guys, I hope you liked this video as much as I did. I had fun making it. Alright, hey guys, give me a second here. I got a lot of stuff on the table. I just want to talk today a little bit about full bridge amplifiers. Class D amplifiers, Class D full bridge amplifiers. I want to talk about what they are and exactly what they do. I didn't understand them until just this week. I didn't even know what it was. I've been buying them for a long time. Still had no idea what it was. Pulling unbelievable power out of them. Still didn't know what it was. Until just recently, I bought a regular Class D amplifier and expected, again, amazing results out of it. And I didn't quite get the amazing results I was expecting. So that's when I started researching and figuring out what I did wrong and how I did wrong, or if I did wrong, and I figured out I didn't do anything wrong. They just make different amplifiers and they're made different ways. And one is called a Class D amplifier, and the other one is also a Class D amplifier. It's just a full bridge. Now, bridging is something we've all done many times before. When you bridge you have two channels on your amplifier, and instead of using two channels, you use one output from one channel and one output from the other channel, and you've just bridged your two channels. Now, it's the same idea. You can take a Class D amplifier if it's strappable, and it would do the same thing as a full bridge amplifier. So a full bridge amplifier is basically two Class D amplifiers inside of one, working together in unison. So what I'm going to do, guys, I want to show you these amplifiers just so you can see. This here, you can fit 3 of these inside of that, and this little amplifier is going to pull more power than this, even though this one is rated less than this one. I'm going to give you their so the half bridge here, that's what we call a Class D, a half bridge amplifier, and this would be your full bridge. So you're at 4 ohms, this does 390 watts, 2 ohms, 660 watts, and at 1 ohm it does 1000 watts. Now this is the full bridge, 320 watts at 4 ohms, 360 watts at 2 ohms, and 700 watts at 1 ohm. And we've seen this amplifier do, I think it was 1800 watts, something. It was ridiculous what it did for power at 1 ohm. It was ridiculously crazy. Not 700 watts, it did well over 2 times that for power. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these each on the same subwoofer, same power supply, same everything, and I'm going to put them each on 1 ohm. We're going to see what this guy can put out at 1 ohm, and we're going to see what this guy can put out at 1 ohm. Okay? And this is just a test for our full bridge Class D amplifier. So guys, if you like the video so far, make sure you go down, hit that thumbs up. I'll be right back with some action. Alright? We're going to see some excursion in a minute, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got the Skar ZVX, got the dyno going, got the NVX. It's the NDA103 new amp for 2022. See what we're getting here. So we're sitting at 1.3 ohms, 143 watts. Let's get some more power here. See what we got. What do we got now? Back this up a little bit. See what we get here now for power. 549 at 1.2 ohms. Let's give it one more click. I think I got here. And I might have to adjust the amp. Let's see what we got here. There we are. 921 at 1.2 ohms. We'll take it. 921 at 1.2 ohms. All right. Good enough, guys. So I'm gonna get the other amp. I'm gonna get the other amp on here. Let me just show you guys the amp, just so there's no discrepancies here. That's the NVX NDA103. 1.2 ohms, I think it was. 900 and something watts. So it definitely does rated power. I think maybe in another video, well, maybe I'll do it in this video. We'll try to see what we can get at a half ohm. Now, you really shouldn't do that to amplifiers, and I've been yelled at and screamed at by my subscribers and other people as well. But you're never gonna know what an amp does if you don't try it. So we're gonna try it. So we'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back. Hold on, let me fix this. There we go. All right, so let me just show you this real quick. I have the NVX XAD11 on the dyno right now. Little baby amplifier. That's the full bridge amp, and it's on a low power, and it's already giving it more power than the other amplifier did. Alright, what are we getting for power here? So we got 1.4 ohms, 55 watts. Jump up one more. See what we got here.
Okay, we also still have a half day of credit. You don't?
1.4 ohms. It should raise. Let's see where we're at here. Alright, there we go. Another one. Alright, now we're at 1.6, 184 watts. And she's moving. She's moving nice. Yeah, look at that. Alright, what do we got here? 252 watts. Alright, let's go up again.
Right.
What do we got now? 873. So we're gonna go up one more click, just so we can see what this pulls out right here. There we go. That was nice. What do we got? 1,445 watts at 1.1 ohms. Get out of here. That was sick. That was completely, too much. I want to try it one more time. Go. Look at that excursion. What do we got here for power? 1,754 watts. 1,754 watts, guys. So that little amp just blew away that huge amp that was almost 4 times the size on the same sub, same power supply, same everything. So guys, I think all in all, the full bridge are cheaper. The full bridge make more power. Definite reliable, she turns on every time. I can't say enough about the amp. It's an awesome amp. 1754 watts. Guys, I don't know if my dyno shut off. So I'm going to go down here and show you the dyno. There it is. Hold on a second. Let me move this back. Okay. 1754 watts at 1.3 ohms. I think my camera went off, guys. I hope it got most of the action. I'm not sure. But that's what we got anyways. Live test results off the XAD11. So guys, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. If you're liking the video so far, don't forget to throw your thumbs up. We'll be back.